Stupid Ocelot, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to cross post on Reddit in 2022. So cross posting is a process where you post an existing submission Reddit post to another subreddit. This helps in promoting your existing subreddit actually a lot, because people can track your subreddit down easily. So I'll go to this post. What is Reddit? Scroll down. There is an option share. Click it, and then I'm going to click cross post. It says this was posted on this subreddit 1 day ago by crazy guy, which is me. Now here is an option, choose a community. I'll click on it, and here I'll choose a subreddit. So I'll write promote and there is an option promote your stuff. So I'll hit it. So the option is selected, promote yourself, but this is restricted. I'm sorry, this is restricted. Promote videos. This is also restricted. Promote YT videos. This is also restricted. So what I'm going to do is just write promote. Promote self-promotion YouTube. I have chosen this one, and this one is not restricted. As you can see, this is not restricted. So self-promotion YouTube, I'll choose a flare, general video, and post it. Now let's see. You can see the submission over here. It hasn't been ghosted. What is Reddit? How Reddit became the front page of the internet. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for future updates. Thanks for watching.